Looking to transform your keyboard into something truly unique? MT3 Cyber keycaps deliver a striking cyberpunk aesthetic that instantly upgrades your setup. Set in the year 2077, this design plunges you into a neon-lit battleground where hackers and mercenaries rule. The bold purple base paired with vivid pink, yellow, and green legends isn't just eye-catching, it's a nod to the gritty, futuristic world of cyberpunk culture. What makes MT3 Cyber stand out isn't just the look. Inspired by the legendary IBM beamspring terminals from the 1970s, these keycaps feature a fully sculpted high-profile design. That means each key has a distinct, slanted shape with scooped, contoured tops, recreating the satisfying tactile experience of vintage keyboards. It's a blend of nostalgia and modern style that keyboard enthusiasts can appreciate. Durability is another strong point here. The legends on these keycaps are created with double-shot molding, not dye sublimation. That means the characters are permanently embedded inside the plastic, ensuring they stay crisp and clear even after heavy use. No fading, no wear, just consistent, reliable legends throughout the entire set. MT3 Cyber's base kit covers a wide range of layouts including HHKB, 60%, 65%, and TKL keyboards. If you want to complete your setup with a full-size or 1800 layout, you can add the numpad kit. This flexibility makes it a solid choice whether you're a minimalist or need a full keyboard experience. Some might hesitate because of the price. Yes, MT3 Cyber keycaps aren't cheap. But like any luxury item, you're paying for quality, style, and a unique design that sets your keyboard apart. Users appreciate the crisp legends, the comfortable profile, and the way these keycaps bring a cyberpunk flair to their everyday typing. If you value aesthetics and a premium feel, this set is worth the investment. If you're ready to give your keyboard a bold new look that blends retro vibes with futuristic style, MT3 Cyber is worth a look. It's not just about colors or nostalgia, it's about upgrading your typing experience with keycaps that feel as good as they look. Try it when you're ready to stand out in the keyboard crowd.